France to get us underway. I wondered if he was going to take a first touch there, which would have taken him across the defender, but he chose not to do that, and it all comes to nothing. Bench, Mbappe now. Running at the heart of that Argentina defence, and there will be a free kick here, some 25 yards out. It's Griezmann, it's good, it's very good, and it rattles the crossbar, which is still shuddering from that. For him, but all through his career, he's managed to defy those plans. Mbappe really has got a turn of pace. He's showing here, look at this, from Mbappe's held back there. Hang on a minute, it's a penalty! It's a penalty for France! The Iranian referee was in no doubt. And there's a yellow card as well. It is only yellow. Argentina complain, but they could not cope there with the searing pace of Kylian Mbappe. Well, this is one of the great pieces of play of this World Cup. This solo run. What has he covered? 70 meters there. Well, maybe the first. First blood France, 1-0. Griezmann strikes again, and it's the early breakthrough they were looking for in the 13th minute. Training ground, of course, in Barcelona practice matches, but hang on a minute, here's Mbappe's got him behind again here now. Was he fouled another time there? Tagliafico. Right on the edge, yellow card for the defender. That was another close run thing. They just can't cope with Mbappe. Going to take something special to get that up and down from there. Is Pogba. Sort of player who could have a key. That one deflects on the Verano into the channel. That's good goalkeeping, well played by Hugo Lloris to deny Perez. Full of clever movement, very clever movement. He's got away from Rojo, couldn't. Right across the face of goal. They're claiming a handball here. It was Mercado's run. He thinks the ball's handled. Let's see if he's right. He's the only one claiming it. Well, Umtiti's hand. Pavard again. Fizzed across the face of goal. Field eating up the ground. Mbappe. This time pressure on the ball. Pogba. Mascherano's extremely muscular challenge on him. And just Conte won it, as he often does. Otamendi was caught a bit late there by Giroud for me. Should be Argentina's free kick. Both players down injured. Nobody holding back. So Otamendi got there first, and then he felt the studs. Now he's making a run. Now it is Messi going inside the penalty area and going down in the penalty area. No appeal, not that time. But there was that little darting run. And it didn't. Lovely play, Griezmann, Pavard, and Giroud attacking that near post, looking for a spectacular header. It's good work done. It's Nicolas Tagliafico. Eva Banega. Di Maria. Oh, what a goal! What a strike! Argentina level! It's Angel Di Maria. sweetest of strikes. Absolute bedlam among those Argentina fans. Nothing Hugo Lloris could do about it. Back in it, Messi nearly intercepts it. Mascherano does pick up a yellow card.